Great. So here we can talk a little bit about the Boolean operation. Yeah. Let's select the cube. Create probably a plane too, and maybe cylindrical shape. Scale a bit. Okay. So the Boolean operation is a very cool operation, to be honest. We can select these two objects. I'll duplicate the cube because we will need to perform another, let's say, Boolean operation with this plane. Okay, so simple as that. We just do that for key, which as you can see in here, wireframe display. So basically we can see in one object and another here and how they are intersect. Awesome. So if we will select both of the objects and we will press Boolean operation, you can see the bottom part which was intersecting with our cube. Just cut it off. This is a operation union. Okay, we have a difference, and if you will press 5 key, you will see everything in the shade display mode. Yeah. So okay, let's go back to union. We can see the singular object unified. Difference, you can see only the difference was a cut off the bottom part, and intersection. So where these two objects was intersecting, only that part will see. And here we have a classification, the edge and normal. And as you can see, it's looking like not working here, but this classification is for an open edge and let's say open object and the closed object. So in our scenario, the sphere of the shape, how it's a cylinder, it's from all sides closed polygonal object. Cube, as you can see, as well. So we can try with an open object or the plane. We can definitely select and our sphere and just delete some faces and perform with an open object Boolean operation as well. But my advice to work in old-fashioned way and avoid a lot of complications. So my preference always working with closed meshes. In that manner, Boolean will work properly. However, if you want, you can play with that and I will show you the difference. Okay, so scale a bit this plane. Probably, I will duplicate this cube. Okay, so let's select the plane, select a cube. Let's clear the history for them. Enter pivot and freeze transformation line. Awesome. So I will perform Boolean operation for this object. Okay, so this is a union under the edge. How it will look under the normal. As you can see, the view did change. How it will look on the difference, it's like a cutout. In the edge preview, you can see the difference here. Okay, let's go back to the normal. And the intersection, you can see this like a plane. And in the edge, you can see this as a cube. Okay, so it's working not only with a plane. The plane was used because it was open edge, and the open edge or inverse normals or the cutted, let's say, openings sorting like that. So let's try do that with this cylindrical shape. Yeah, so select both objects. I will go for this buttons again and perform Boolean operation. Under the union, let's maybe check it like that. You can select this bottom part that's selected. You can see this is selection. It doesn't have the let's say object in here. Yeah, okay. Let's press T in order to bring back our tool. And if I will select the normal, we have in here the face. Great. Okay, so what for a difference? What if we will go to the edge? We have a face. Intersection. We have a face. We don't have it. Yeah. Okay, so this is basic information about the Boolean, and stay tuned, and really suggest you don't use open areas for a Boolean. However, it's up to you. Have a nice day.